Hello friends, welcome to the first part of this OpenShift deployment series. So here we'll see how we can configure Route53. For OpenShift to work, we need a public domain and we need to go to Route53 and we need to create a hosted zone. Since I have already created a hosted zone, I will show you how it need to be done. Come to Route53, click on hosted zone and William and Millie, this is my public domain, so we need to create a hosted zone, so we can click it. It will show like this. Okay, since I have already created, I will not create it. And then we have to go to view details. Okay, and here we can see this A record and this NS record. Sorry. So these are the name servers, domain servers, so which AWS is providing. So we need to go to from the domain from where we purchase the domain, like GoDaddy or something else, means like and we need to go there and we need to add this name servers, means like in this record. Since I have purchased it in from GoDaddy, and I need to add this in GoDaddy. So like this means like we need to set up the hosted zone here, means like okay. And once again I will show you. We'll go there, hosted zone. We'll get an option like create hosted zone, and then we'll click here, go to NS record, copy this and update in your GoDaddy account. Okay, so in this way our Route53 is set up. In the next section we'll see how we can set up the cluster. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.